In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the answer key in Google Forms. This is a handy feature, especially if you're creating quizzes or assessments, and it allows you to streamline the grading process efficiently. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by either typing in Google Forms in your search engine or going directly to the Google Forms website. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, make sure you do so to access all features. Once you're in Google Forms, you'll see options to start a new form or quiz. For our purposes today, we want to focus on creating a quiz, so go ahead and select either a blank quiz or one of the available templates, depending on what suits your needs. Once your quiz form opens up, you'll notice the customizable fields where you can input your questions. Enter the title of your quiz at the top and begin adding your questions. You can choose from various question types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers. Let's say you want to create a multiple choice question. Type your question in the field provided, then add options for answers. To add an answer key to a question, click on the Answer Key button right below it. This button will allow you to select the correct answer from the options you've provided, making grading straightforward later on. Simply click on the answer you want to mark as correct. For instance, if option B is the right answer, click on the circle next to it so it turns dark, indicating that it's been selected as the correct response. Another useful feature when creating the answer key is the ability to assign point values to each question. Say you want this particular question to be worth 5 points. You can simply enter that number in the points box. This is essential for automatic grading, giving each question the weight you deem appropriate. Additionally, you can provide feedback for correct and incorrect answers. This is particularly useful for educational purposes, as it allows respondents to understand why a particular answer is correct or incorrect. You can add links to external resources, explanatory text, or videos to both affirm correct understanding or guide towards the right information upon incorrect attempts. Once you've completed creating your questions and setting up the answer keys, remember to review the entire quiz to ensure everything is the way you want it. After you're satisfied, click on the Send button to distribute the quiz as needed. You have multiple distribution options, via email, a link, or embedded in a website. And there you have it. Adding an answer key in Google Forms is a straightforward process that enhances the functionality of your quiz, making your life and the lives of those taking the quiz much easier. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.